got some crackers, my crackers out. I'm going to have a little appetizer. I have my hummus, and I'm going to make some tea. So, I'm going to set this off to the side a little bit. And move some things out of the way. Gotta get my handy dandy little butane stove. And I just keep the can I'm using on the stand just because that way I know which can I'm using up, so I don't keep using a different can. And then the stand's on there already, ready for me to use it. And I have to set up my ventilation. So I have to wait. I'm going to have to wait until the rain stops because the rain's coming in too fast through those windows. So can't make tea yet. So I have to wait. I'm just going to munch on my cheese and crackers, or my hummus and crackers for now. Okay, rain is stopping. So it's been raining and stopping and raining and stopping. So while the rain is stopping, I'm going to open the van back up. Put this on. And get it ready. Okay, so that's ready. Still not raining. So we can start and fill up my water. Push the wrong button. Actually, what I usually like to do is put the water in the cup first so I get the right amount of water. We're going to put this in the cup first. I forgot. That's what I like to do. So I'm measuring out my water and not wasting water by putting too much. So I get just the right amount of water. And then that can go in the water pot. And put the lid on. It's because I'm trying to hurry before the rain starts up again. Let me put this out of the way. My lighter. My stuff is a little full there. Okay, we start this. Flame going. Get the fan going. Now we get the water. Boil it. Put away my lighter. And move this out of the way. Tea bag and my cup. And I'm waiting. Garbage over there. And I open this window to get a cross breeze going. That way the air flows right through there. If I really want more ventilation, I can turn this one, I can plug this one in, but I don't think I need that right now. It's fairly breezy out, So I'm trying not to let too much rain in. It's coming in. See, I'm getting too much water in here right now. So I have to hurry up. Let's see. Yeah, this side, you can see the rain coming in. I gotta close that one. I'm just heating up my crackers. I'll wait for my tea to boil. A napkin. Some napkins. Okay, our water is starting to boil. We can turn off the fire. I need a pot holder. Got my handy pot holder. That is a little hot. A lot hot. Okay. And now, I'm just going to pour our tea. I like to put my finger over that steam hole because it, steams very hot. Okay, set that down on the floor to cool. Put that up there. And we're going to put this down to cool. And we're going to go ahead and close up the van. And we'll trap that heat in here. Okay, that's all closed up. We'll turn off the fan. And that's it. There, got a hot cup of tea brewing. And my crackers and hummus. So I'm just going to relax. Yep, this is the life. Snacks, tea, quiet but rainy campground. Puppies are sleeping, babies are sleeping. Nothing I have to do. This is the life. This is how van life can be when you get used to doing it and find what works for you. And yeah, so it's difficult at first. When I got started, I was nervous about everything, and now I'm getting really comfortable about how to do everything safely and comfortably and have all the things I need. I have those are my power banks. There's two there. There's one up in the front, and there's one right here, charging my phone and running my fans. So I have electricity. I have my running water, and I have ways to stay clean and bathroom. Those are my bathroom things. My extra, like, that's sort of like the medicine cabinet in my bathroom. Well, it's really, and then there's a little bit more behind the power banks or some other stuff that's bathroom stuff. And behind that curtain, there's another one of those seat back storage things that's got my my purse is hanging over it, but it's got outdoor stuff like bug spray and all sorts of things for outside. And there's more kitchen stuff, my little kitchen, and my food is in there and under there. This lifts up. If you haven't been watching my video, I can lift that up and I have stuff under there. And those are that's my dresser, of course, with my toilet paper, which is like tissue at night. My dirty laundry back there. Yeah. So I just hang out on my bed and while it's raining and relax. Now we're back at it. We are making a white bean and kale soup. Something I picked up from, so this is what we are having for dinner. And it is almost done. You see this, it's starting to steam there. Got my fan going, blowing everything out the window. Got a break in the rain, so my windows and fans are going. Gonna have some pineapple juice with my dinner. Dogs already had their dinner, and I washed the bowls because, yes, I used one of the dogs. I share bowls with the dogs, but I wash them first and cook with them. And there's my wash water in the other bowl, so I can clean these up when I'm done. And I have some crackers to go, so different kind of crackers for my soup. Yep. It has stopped raining, but it's quite dreary outside still, and raining off and on. It's quite unpredictable, so we're just staying inside, keeping the van warm, and having warm, soothing foods. You might be wondering, how is she going to eat that without making a mess? Well, I took my tray from over here, I put it here in front of me, and I'm sitting cross-legged on my bed with a mat that now I'll use as a drip catching mat. I got a paper towel under my soup, or a napkin. I got a napkin right here, so if I dribble, I'll catch it. So that is what I'm doing. Got my crackers and my pineapple juice, which I can't open with one hand because I have carpal tunnel. There is my dinner. Now complete with the crackers.